Hi guys, Joe and Paul here from the EA Group. We are the proud distributors and partner of Safety Shield Global here in Australia. Safety Shield Global is an AI solution that stops people and plant interaction.
So guys, we've got a demo day here in Carroll Park, Brisbane, that will be running on the 13th of March, 14th and 15th of March. The 13th will be for councils, and then the 14th and 15th will be for our tier 1 customers and civil contractors.
So guys, this safety day here in Queensland is free to attend. We'll have a barbecue on and drinks available. Please book in the link below.
So we'll have 2-hour slots that will get you to register. We will have multiple machines here with the Safety Shield technology on that, and we want you to come for the first hour and actually integrate with the technology, understand it, how it works, and then the second hour we'll go in and we'll be doing the Safety Shield hub training. So we just don't install it and then let you guys go. We'll actually mentor you guys, show you the data, the behaviour, make sure that the guys on site are understanding the pros of this technology to keep everyone safe and go home at the end of the day. So guys, if you have any questions, please reach out to Paul and I. Happy to help you with any of the details and what we're going to be doing, and excited to launch this and give your business this great tool to keep everyone safe.